Good morning, students. After a long break, say good morning in the comment section. And before starting session, yes, we will continue with our basic traditional rules of accounts. I hope you haven't forget any rule till now. So what are rules, beta? Chalo jaldi se yaad kar lo. So rules are traditional approach: debit the debtor, credit the creditor, personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. I hope you remember personal and real account are carried to balance sheet and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. In case of modern approach, asset has debit balance, liability has credit balance, income has credit balance, expenses debit balance, and capital account credit balance. Asset is equal to liability plus capital. If you remember first chapter, in case of bonus shares, if you remember in bonus shares, we will quickly revise all these chapters, whatever I have completed till now. So first entry is that if amount is paid, is totally paid, and if amount is not paid. So in case of amount is paid, your entries will be first entry, CRR account debit, security premium account debit, P&L account debit, general reserve account debit, and then P&L account debit to bonus to equity shareholders, and bonus to equity shareholders account debit to equity share capital. In case of shares are not fully paid, in that case, entry will be general reserve account debit, P&L account debit to bonus to equity shareholders. First entry will be final call account debit to equity share capital. Then entry will be general reserve account debit, P&L account debit to bonus to equity shareholders, and last entry will be bonus to equity shareholders account debit to final call. Remember, friends, in case of redemption of preference shares, you have two options. First one, to maintain your capital structure, you can issue equity shares, and second option that you have to create CRR. In case of issue of equity shares, your first entry will be for redemption, preference share capital account debit, premium on redemption account debit to preference shareholders, and then preference shareholders account debit to bank. In case of premium on redemption, that we transfer it to profit and loss account, so P&L account debit to premium on redemption. And then you have entry bank account debit to equity share capital to security premium, and then CRR entry will be general reserve account debit or P&L account debit to CRR. Remember, in case of that, balance sheet pro forma is very important in case of company final accounts. So balance sheet pro forma will be equity and liability shareholder one share capital reserves and surplus, non-current liability, long-term borrowing, deferred tax liability, other long-term liabilities, long-term provisions, current liability, short-term borrowing, trade payable, other current liability, and short-term provisions. In case of assets, non-current assets, property, plant, and equipment. Current liability, I forgot, short-term borrowings, trade payable, other current liability, and short-term provisions. In case of assets, non-current assets, property, plant, and equipment, intangible assets, capital WIP, intangible assets under development. After that, non-current investment, deferred tax asset, long-term loans, advances, other non-current assets. Current assets, CIT, CSO, current investment, inventory, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans, advances, and other current assets. So first two chapters I revised it today. Remaining two chapters I will revise it on Monday. I hope you will do it till Monday. All revisions are very important. In every session, I request you all to revise your previous chapter on Sunday, and after that we can continue from Monday. Okay? चलिए, तो आज का सेशन शुरू करने के पहले welcome back once again. Good morning to all of you. I hope your study is going well and every one of you are doing it properly. So tell me technique. Whether should I start with basic? First, I will tell you the basic points, and then I will jump to question answers of past examination questions. Or if you are not interested in past examination questions, then you can tell me. I will solve all study material questions. Otherwise, we will solve past examination questions. So it's your choice. So if possible, try to finish previous recorded sessions of batch number 5 and batch number 6. We are going to continue with past examination questions. So this is a combination batch. Okay. Chalo. Good morning. Bol dijiye jaldi jaldi. I'm waiting for you all. Yes, beta. After a long break, Nikita Namal, Alok Shivlani, Jyoti Jha, Mohammad Ji, Manisha Ben, Harshit. Very good, beta. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Abhishek Pandey Ji. I am fine, Mahima Maurya. Yes, Nanish Ingre. First, I will take basics and then I will jump to past examination questions. Other students, yes. Basic plus past examination questions. Murtuza Ali saying, sir, आफ्टर लॉन्ग ब्रेक, थैंक यू बेटा. संस्कारण. ओके, संस्कारण. चलिए, तो आज नया कैल्सी भी आ चुका है. चलो, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन. नो प्रॉब्लम ज्योति जी, पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस भी मैं ले लूंगा एंड बेसिक भी कवर करवा के देता हूँ. तो बेसिक प्लस पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस हम लोग ये बैच में करेंगे. आई होप एवरी वन ऑफ यू आर डूइंग गुड and please try to solve maximum questions so you will find your exam very easy. I already uploaded past examination questions of departmental account, so you can download PDF from our app. Chalo, first I will start with departmental questions. Sir, today is departmental topic. Gomti ji. Chalo, so departmental accounts. Write down. Departmental accounting. Okay. So departmental accounting, beta. Departmental accounting. यस अब्दुल भाई, आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड इट. सो एक 5-10 मिनट में अपलोड कर देता हूँ. डिपार्टमेंटल अकाउंटिंग, राइट डाउन. सी, now it's very simple. Now suppose if I started a business. Now work allotment is always easy task. Okay, work allotment, now it's very easy task. For example, suppose if I am running coaching classes, example, in that case I will take the responsibility of accounts and costing, so it's my department. Another faculty will take income tax, another faculty will take other subjects. So these are like, departments. So one department is there who will take care of all admission part. That is a process of, you can call it as personal department, in which we have responsibility. Accounting department is there. So notes निकालने वाले बंदों का एक department होगा. So these are some departments that we have to run business smoothly. Okay, so there are some departments. Suppose if I'm running one hotel, so we are 4 friends. So in one friend has a responsibility of procurement of material. Second one, all capital expenditure he will see. Third person, he will see regular activities, advertisement and all. And one department is that one person will take care of services, day-to-day services which are given to our clients. So these responsibilities, when we divide, it is called as so it is called as departments. So departments in costing also, you have one chapter overhead in which you are going to see production department and service department. So your business is normally, for smooth running of business, we divide it in different departments. Okay, so we divide it in different departments. So every department is earning some profits. Okay, so and it might happen that department A is of raw material, then they transfer goods, they work it on this raw material. ओके, अरे क्या हो गया ये, एक सेकंड ना बेटा. Okay, so department A is working on procurement of the raw material, And then this raw material is transferred to Department B, and Department B has responsibility to sell those goods. Of that goods are called as finished goods. Okay. So Department A transfer that goods to Department B. So now, sir, suppose Department A, in example, suppose Department A is a cloth department. Okay. And Department B is ready-made garment departments. Okay. So from Department A, ready-made garments are transferred to Department B, and Department B will take care to sell those goods. So it's very simple that every department, so this is one of the example. Okay. So similarly, there are 3-4 departments in exam. You might have maximum 3 departments for calculation of profit. Now, what is the, well, sir, this is a very simple question. So what is the big deal in this question? No, sir, it's very simple. So let's understand. Now, assume here is the opening stock of cloth department. Then they will purchase something. They have wages for Department A. So this is Department A. And then they will transfer these goods by internal transfer to Department B. And then there it be by closing stock. Then beta, it will be by closing stock. So Department A. Okay. Now Department B might have its opening stock, and they are getting goods. They do not have own purchases. They are getting goods from internal transfer. Then they might have some wages, carriage inward, and all this. And then they will sell it to outsiders by sales and then closing stock. Now, friends, there is internal transfer. You can see there is internal transfer from Department A to Department B. So internal transfer, by the internal transfer to by Department A on the credit side, and department will write it on the debit side. So it's very simple that they might have own departments transfer. So Department A has internal transfer on the credit side, and Department B has internal transfer on the debit side. Now what happens? Sir, it's very simple. They have some common expenditure. Then they have some common expenditure. Now, this is might be a 4 marks question for how to allocate, how to divide this common expenditure. So you have some basis to divide it among 3 departments. Now, suppose there are 3 departments. So you have to divide these common expenses using some ratio. For example, my rent is 1,20,000. My rent is 1,20,000 is a total rent. And for my rent, how to divide this rent? I have floor area. Okay. Department A has 600 square feet. Yes, 600 square feet space. Then Department B has 900 square feet. And Department C has 1,500 square feet. So what is the total? Total is 1,500 plus 900. That is 2,400. And plus 600, 3,000 square feet. So now I will divide this 1,20,000. So take on calci. There is a shortcut for using this calci. Shortcut is, yes, beta, 1,20,000 divided by 3,000. 40. And 40 is rupees per square feet. 40 rupees per square feet into 600 is equal to. So first time you will press into 600. So 40 you are getting on calci. 40 into 600. This is a shortcut of calci. Then 900 is equal to, and 1,500 is equal to. So this is a shortcut. 40 into 600. Then just press 900 is equal to. 36,000 and then 1,500 is equal to 60,000. So I have divided my rent among three departments A, B, C. Out of that 1,24,000, I portion rupees 24,000 to A department, rupees 36,000 to B department. You can take a total 24 plus 36 plus 60. So 24 plus 36 plus 60, you are getting 1,20,000. So you have divided. So what is the shortcut? So first I will take 1,20,000 divide by total of the square feet. Okay, total of the square feet is 3,000. And then I will just press into 600 is equal to first time into then 600 कैल्सी के दिमाग में यहां तक रह जाता है एंड देन 900 and 500 is equal to is a कैल्सी शॉर्टकट. ओके, सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन वंस इन हिंदी. तो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट 5 minutes विल बी इन हिंदी रिवीजन. तो मैंने जब जितना सिखाया दैट विल बी इन दी हिंदी. Okay, so till now you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so departmental accounts. It's easy, beta. Yes, beta. It is costing apportion. Manisha Ben Panchal, very good, beta. That's some concept. So you already watched my previous batch के sessions. Very good. I will request you all to attend maximum lectures in live only. So those students who have not completed till now, live में आ जाना. Yes, Miss Priyanka जी. यस नैनेश, दैट्स सम कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ. सो एक बार मैं हिंदी में पूरा का पूरा रिवीजन ले रहा हूँ, तो इसके आगे पूरा का पूरा रिवीजन हिंदी में रहेगा अभी का 5 मिनट के लिए. ओनली फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स साउथ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स स्पेयर मी फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स. ओके, सो रिवीजन विल बी इन हिंदी. फर्स्ट वन, एक सेकंड ना. चलिए, सो डिपार्टमेंटल अकाउंट्स, ये अकाउंट्स का एक बेहतरीन चैप्टर जिसमें आपको समझने की कोशिश क्यों करनी है, बिकॉज रियल लाइफ में हो सकता है कि आपको अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स जो है वो एक बिजनेस में आपको स्मूथ रनिंग के लिए आपके जो भी बिजनेसमैन है और जो भी आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होगी उसमें डिपार्टमेंट उन्होंने किए रहेंगे और उसका अकाउंटिंग का पार्ट हमारे पास आने वाला है. तो वो डिपार्टमेंट से जितने भी खर्चे रिलेटेड होंगे या इनकम रिलेटेड होगा, डिपार्टमेंट वाइज हम एक दूसरे का उतना खर्चा एक दूसरे में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. अभी होता यह है कि एक स्पेसिफिक डिपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड आप खर्चा करते रहोगे और दूसरा कोई खर्चे ये जो रहेंगे वो कॉमन खर्चे रहेंगे और कॉमन खर्चों की लिस्ट जो है वो आपको 3-4 डिपार्टमेंट में अपोर्शन करनी है. अब इसमें भी सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट कहाँ पे आता है, तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट ये होता है कि वहां पे 2 डिपार्टमेंट्स होंगे. तो पहला डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो रॉ मटेरियल को प्रोसेसिंग करता रहेगा और दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट ये बेचने की यहाँ पे कोशिश करता रहेगा. तो एक डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरी डिपार्टमेंट में गुड्स ट्रांसफर किए जाएंगे. अभी गुड्स ट्रांसफर करते टाइम अभी क्या होता है या आगे का सेशन होगा वो हम लोग थोड़ी देर बाद देख लेंगे कि गुड्स ट्रांसफर करते टाइम कैसे डिपार्टमेंट स्मार्टली खेलता है. और उस केस में हम लोग देखेंगे कि डैडसन कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है एक 5 से 10 मिनट के बाद. अभी उसके बाद मैंने आपको बताया कि जो भी खर्चे कॉमन रहेंगे उसको हम लोग डिवाइड कैसे करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल डिपार्टमेंट ए जो है, डिपार्टमेंट ए बी सी, इसमें जो जगह है 1,20,000 है हमारा टोटल रेंट है. अब ये रेंट हमें डिवाइड करना है. तो डिपार्टमेंट ए जहां पे जिस जगह में है वो 600 स्क्वायर फीट उसकी जगह है, डिपार्टमेंट बी ये 900 स्क्वायर फीट की जगह है और डिपार्टमेंट सी ये 1,500 स्क्वायर फीट की जगह है. और ये जगह जो है वो हमें टोटल डिवाइड करना है 1,20,000. तो हमारे पास 3,000 स्क्वायर फीट की जगह है. तो इसका कैलसी पे एक शॉर्टकट, बेहतरीन शॉर्टकट होता है 1,20,000 डिवाइड बाय 3,000. आपका यदि आप कौन सा भी कैलसी यूज करते हो और जो कैलसी पे ये अमाउंट आती है वही कैलसी यूज करना, बाकी के कैलसी यूज मत करना. साइंटिफिक कैलसी अलाउड नहीं है. तो 1,20,000 डिवाइड बाय 3,000 करने के बाद मोबाइल पे ये फंक्शन नहीं होता है, इसलिए मोबाइल पे कैलकुलेशन मत करिए. सो 1,20,000 डिवाइड बाय 3,000 स्क्वायर फीट, यहाँ पे मेरा 40 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट आंसर आएगा. अब ये 40 आपके कैलसी के दिमाग में फिक्स बैठ जाएगा. उसको पहली बार आपको इनटू करना है 40 इंटू 600 इज इक्वल टू, और उसके बाद आपका आंसर आएगा 24,000. और उसके बाद आपको सिर्फ 900 इज इक्वल टू करना है एंड देन 1500 इज इक्वल टू करना है. तो यू विल गेट डायरेक्टली आंसर 24,000, 36,000 एंड 60,000 फॉर डिवीजन ऑफ 1,20,000. तो यहाँ पे हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट ये समझ में आया होगा. ओके, आलोक शिवलानी बोल रहे हैं सर लास्ट बैच के सेशन में जो क्वेश्चंस लिए थे लोडिंग वाले वही क्वेश्चन लेना। अभिषेक पांडे जी बोल रहे हैं सर एलोकेशन लाइक प्री एंड पोस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेशन अकाउंटिंग, यस बेटा वही हो रहा है। प्लीज लेट अस नो अबाउट द कैलकुलेटर शॉर्टकट्स। तो आनंद जी कैलकुलेटर शॉर्टकट इज वेरी सिंपल, that 1,20,000 you have to divide it by 3,000 square feet, that is a 600 plus 900 plus 1,500, so 3,000 rupees 40 you will get, and first time when you press 40 into, you have to press the button into 600 is equal to, uske baad sip you have to press 900 is equal to and 1,500 is equal to. So Jyotika departmental record session finished and understood all concept except markup. Yes beta, markup concept we are going to see it in the next session. Ratios will be given. Yes, beta, Nanish Ingre is saying, sir, clear, sir. So till now, I don't think you have any problem till now. So now let's move to some examination questions. So already I told you rent is divided in the floor area. So what are examination questions? So I will tell you some examination questions. Yes, beta. Try to understand the basic examination questions for departmental theory, past year questions. Yes, I already uploaded. This is a 4-mark question. You can see here, this is a 4-mark question. State the basis okay. State the basis on which following common expenses, the benefits of which is shared by the all departments, is distributed among the departments. So first one is a rent. So rent, I already told you rents, rates and taxes. This is a floor area. Okay, so you can write it. Floor area will be the answer for writing this. So floor area occupied by each department, otherwise on the time basis also. So there are two bases, either floor area or time basis. Okay, time basis can be taken. तो कितने मंथ के लिए था उसको भी आप लोग बेस बना सकते हो. Selling expenses such as discount, bad debts. So what are sales of each department? So sales, selling expenses, sales is a basis. Carriage inward, but carriage inward will be on the purchases. Carriage inward purchases. You can write over there purchases. So you will divide over the purchases basis. Depreciation, value of asset. Okay. Depreciation is value of asset. Interest on loan. Interest on loan, loan amount or directly in P&L without division. Okay. Directly in P&L if unidentifiable. In unidentifiable. If you have taken a loan, not for one department, but for all departments, so directly you will take it in total common expenses. You won't divide it. If identifiable, then loan amount. If not identifiable, then directly total in P&L. So there is no bifurcation. Profit or loss on sale of investment. So investment amount. And if identifiable or if not identifiable, then directly in P&L. Okay. If identifiable, then investment amount, otherwise directly. Wages, time devoted. Time devoted by each department, by employees. And lighting, energy consumed by each department. Energy consumed by each department. Very easy question for 4 marks. Yes. Any difficulty in this? So we will divide this kharcha on basis. I think it is uploaded beta. It is clear. November 2013 question. This question is of 4 marks. Now I'm giving you one question for May 2016. Now you only tell me. So you can give me, I'm giving you 5 minutes to think on this, 8 questions, and you can send me answer. चलो जल्दी जल्दी आंसर भेज दीजिए. I hope you will download this and you will have hard copy in next session. So I will upload branch accounts also, all questions of branch accounts. It's in downloaded assignment section. Where it is beta? In assignment section. I'm giving you time. You can send me answer of directly 8 beta, directly 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can send me in that way. Alok Shivlani ji, please don't send one by one answer, all 8 answers together. चलिए, so insurance floor area, discount and bad debts, sales, discount received, purchase. See, bad debts is our related to sales, debtors, and discount received is purchase, asset value, repairs and maintenance, advertisement expenses, sales, labor welfare, number of employees, this is wages and salaries, and carriage inward is purchases. You can check here how to download notes. You have to log in your ICI BOS app. Okay. So in ICI BOS app, you have no, I cannot connect it. So in ICI BOS app, you have Board of Studies app. In that live coaching classes, and in that you have live coaching class में download assignments. So download assignments में you will get this. I already uploaded. So BOS app से आप download कर सकते हो. Yes. Okay. Yes, बेटा हर्षित. वेबसाइट से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. Yes. Now, after this, I'm going to explain you one simple concept of dad son. Okay. This is very, very important concept. So write down dad son concept. So till now, I hope you understood what is departmental accounting. Yes, nothing difficult in this departmental accounting till now. So friends, please tell me till now any difficulty that you have. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me, sir. Till now, any difficulty? चलो बेटा जल्दी से बता दीजिए डिफिकल्टी, जो भी डिफिकल्टीज होंगे जल्दी से मुझे बता दीजिए. Otherwise, I will move to next very, very important concept that is called as dad son concept, my friend. तो जल्दी से बताइए यार, क्यों एनर्जी लाइए. मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. फास्ट. नो डाउट टिल नाउ. ओके. बेटा महिमा फ्लोर एरिया दिया ही जाएगा, डोंट वरी. अदरवाइज इक्वल. ओके. कुछ भी नहीं दिया रहेगा तो इक्वली डिवाइड करने का. सो सब में मिलेगा. महिमा जी. ओके चलो. सो दैट्स वन कॉन्सेप्ट. This concept is very important in case of process costing also. In costing subject, you have the concept, that's one concept. So now see, this is not the concept which is given in the notebook. This is only for your study material. This is only for your understanding purpose. I am telling you what is a dad son concept. Okay. Chalo, let's quickly revise it. Dad son concept. So what is dad son concept? Beta, understand? ठीक है. पीएफ भी नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज या वेजेस बेसिस पे भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो. हर्षित जी, नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज से ज्यादा पीएफ या आपके वेजेस पे, बिकॉज रिमेंबर नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज आर डिफरेंट and their wages are different. So wages for skilled employees, it is always on the higher side, and accordingly your PF will be distributed or calculated. So beta PF number of employees से ज्यादा wages पे लेना. Okay हर्षित बेटा, चलो, very good. If you want, again I am telling you, if you want detailed sessions, एकदम one by one question properly लिखा हुआ चाहिए और हिंदी में चाहिए, तो आप लोग पुणे ब्रांच को कांटेक्ट करना for accounts costing, advanced accounts and financial management. If you want detailed sessions, okay, एक लेक्चर मैंने बहुत डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. So in that case you can contact पुणे ब्रांच. तो उसमें टाइम भी थोड़ा ज्यादा दिया हुआ है और हिंदी में है. सो जिनको हिंदी में लेक्चर्स कंफर्टेबल है, इधर उधर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप लोग पुणे ब्रांच को कांटेक्ट कर लेना. ओके, 4 सब्जेक्ट्स में लेता हूं तो एग्जाम्शन तो बनता है. और मैं अभी हिंदी में एक सीरीज भी जल्दी से जल्दी लेने वाला हूँ, रिवीजन सीरीज. सो उसको भी आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. तो रिवीजन सीरीज हम लोग जल्दी से जल्दी शुरू करेंगे और अदर सब्जेक्ट्स. चलिए, Dadson concept. Assume 2 purchases. Assume 10 pens are purchased by dad at rupees 8 per pen. Okay, 8 per pen. पुणे ब्रांच का निकिता जी कॉन्टैक्ट आपको नंबर वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा, पुणे ब्रांच ऑफ आईसीआई का. अदरवाइज यहाँ पे मैं लिख के देता हूँ. ओके, सो बाय सेल्स, we will assume 10 pens at rupees 10 per pen. Okay, so dad sold all these pens, but whom? To son. All pens to son. 100 rupees. Now, contact number दे दिया मैंने. Okay, so 2 purchases, 10 pens into 10 rupees, 100. पुणे ब्रांच का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है, नॉट माय पर्सनल नंबर. हाँ, नाउ इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट 10 pens you bought it at rupees 8 and 10 pens you bought it at rupees sold to son at rupees 10. So you earned rupees profit. कितना प्रॉफिट अर्न कर लिया आपने? 20 रुपया. 20 रुपया प्रॉफिट आपने अर्न किया. सो यू अर्न रुपीज 20 प्रॉफिट. ओके, सो प्रॉफिट इज रुपीज 20 बाय डैड. नाउ हाउ मेनी पेन्स सोल्ड बाय दिस सन? ओके, सो आई विल एज्यूम, सो ही बॉट इट एट रुपीज 10. So whatever credit, now it is debit to son account. Okay, sorry. And by sales to outsiders. तो outsiders को उन्होंने 8 पेन्स बेचे at 15 rupees, 120. And by closing stock, 2 pens, now he will record it at 10 rupees. Okay, so his profit will be 120 plus 20, 140 and 100 rupees. So his profit is 40 and dad profit is 20. So rupees 60 is the profit, total profit. But wait, actual profit. Now, actual profit when you earn actual profit is when you sell it to outsiders. So outsiders, how many pens are sold? 8 pens. At what price, beta? 15 rupees. Less cost. Now we will see original cost of these 8 pens. So original cost is rupees 8. That is for dad. Okay. So overall profit. Now I am calculating actual profit overall. Overall 8 pens into 8, 64 rupees. Okay. So it's my cost 56. So my unrealized profit. So beta, it is called as not actual profit. This is called as unrealized profit, or you can call it as loading. Okay. Unrealized profit means it is not the actual profit that you earned. It is not the actual profit that you earned. It is called as unrealized profit. Okay. So my friends, what is unrealized profit? Which is not actual profit. So what is the actual profit? It's only 56. And unrealized profit is rupees, yes, beta, 4. And now you have to tell me why this 4 rupees unrealized profit. So what is the logic? So beta, this is called as logic of unrealized profit. What is the logic? Yes, beta, what is the unrealized profit? Why there is a 4 rupees unrealized profit? Yes, beta, can you tell me why there is unrealized profit? Because Sun is holding closing stock. Sun's closing stock. Sun holds closing stock of 2 pens at rupees 10, but its actual cost is rupees 8. So in Sun's closing stock, your unrealized profit is rupees 2 per pen, and that is rupees 4. So beta, remember, so what is the important line? Important line is that closing stock and opening stock of receiving department includes unrealized profit. Okay. So closing stock and opening stock of receiving department includes unrealized profit. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट द लॉजिक. ओके, चलो एक बार मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. डैड सन कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत आसान कॉन्सेप्ट है. सी, डैड ने क्या किया? डैड ने 10 पेन्स जो है वो 8 रुपए में खरीदे. 10 पेन्स जो है वो 8 रुपए में खरीदे, और उसमें से 8 रुपए में खरीदने के बाद उसने पूरे के पूरे सन को पूरे के पूरे बेटे को अपने पेन्स ट्रांसफर किए. 10 पेन्स एट रुपीज 10 पर पेन. ओके, सो 10 पर पेन ये बेटे को ट्रांसफर किए. अभी हुआ क्या? डैड को 20 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हुआ. वो प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ है? अभी डैड ने ये 10 रुपए का पेन सन ने परचेस तो कर लिए, पर सन ने आगे जाके 15 में बेचे. अभी 15 में पूरे पेन बेचे क्या? नहीं, 2 पेन जो है, अब ये 2 पेन जो है वो 8 रुपए पे दिखने चाहिए डैड के हिसाब से, क्योंकि जब आप ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट निकालते हो तो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक तो घर का घर में मामला है. सो 2 पेन्स ये कैसे देख सकते हैं? हमें 2 पेन्स जो है वो 8 रुपए पे ही दिखने चाहिए, पर हम लोग कितने में बता रहे हैं? 10 रुपए में. इसका मतलब वहां पे अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट छुपा हुआ है. हमारे घर में ही घर में प्रॉफिट हुआ है. अभी डैड क्या सन को बेच के ऐसा पेन सन को बेच के ऐसा प्रॉफिट तो नहीं कमा सकते, तो 8 रुपए का पेन सन रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है 10 रुपए में, तो वहां पे 2 रुपए का प्रॉफिट जो छुपा हुआ है वो अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट है, और वो अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट को बोलते हैं आसान भाषा में लोडिंग। क्या बोलते हैं इसको? लोडिंग। और वो लोडिंग जो होता है वो हमें कैंसल करना होता है, वो लोडिंग जो होता है वो हमें कैंसिल करना रहता है। और वो कैसे कैंसिल करना है तो डिपार्टमेंट अकाउंट से अपने को सिखाएगा हाउ टू कैंसिल इट। सो 56 रुपीज ये टोटल प्रॉफिट दिखेगा, और 4 रुपए जो प्रॉफिट है, प्रॉफिट दिखेगा 60 रुपीज, डिपार्टमेंट वाइज 60 रुपीज प्रॉफिट दिखेगा, पर बाद में आपको ये ध्यान में आना चाहिए कि इसमें से एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट जो है वो सिर्फ 56 रुपीज है, और 4 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हमें कैंसिल करना है। सो नेट प्रॉफिट हमारा सिर्फ और सिर्फ बोला जाएगा 56 रुपीज। 60 रुपया हमारा प्रॉफिट नहीं होगा, हमारा प्रॉफिट होगा ओनली 56 रुपीज। और किसके क्लोजिंग स्टॉक में? किसके क्लोजिंग स्टॉक में? एवरीवन हैज टू राइट दिस सेंटेंस, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक एंड ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ रिसीविंग डिपार्टमेंट। रिसीविंग डिपार्टमेंट मींस डैड और सन, सन बेटा सन। It includes unrealized profit in closing stock, okay, and opening stock. So write down this sentence. So who includes? बेटा किसके इसमें इंक्लूड होता है? चलो जल्दी से। हाँ बेटा ब्रेक में। If son sold all pens, very good beta, Nanesh, very good. If son sold all pens to outsider, there will be no unrealized profit. Very good beta, very good. Nanesh को पूरा समझ में आया। Git Chauhan, sir, goods of dad is son's closing stock, transfer at selling price. Okay, goods of dad and in son's closing stock at selling price. Very good beta. Yes, Git Chauhan, very good. तो सन का जो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है उसमें डैड का माल जो भेजा हुआ है उसके सेलिंग प्राइस पे है, और उसके वजह से ही लोडिंग है। एवरीवन हैज टू राइट दिस सेंटेंस। इट चौहान, वेरी गुड बेटा, यू रोट दिस। Unrealized profit of dad is included in closing stock of son. Okay, so very good. So closing stock and opening stock. Everyone has to write this sentence in the comment section. चलो फटाफट लिखिए, comment section में लिख लीजिए. And those who students who want to copy it, you can copy it. You can take a screenshot. आप screenshot भी ले सकते हो. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए, सो डैड और सन का कॉन्सेप्ट है ये, आसानी से एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है मैंने। बड़ा वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स। चलो 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 चलो, फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट। यस बेटा ज्योति, जब भी रिसीविंग डिपार्टमेंट का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक होगा तो अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करना है, और वो इसीलिए तो ये चैप्टर बच्चों को डिफिकल्ट लगता है क्योंकि उनके कॉन्सेप्ट से क्लियर नहीं रहते, पर संकेत सर के स्टूडेंट्स के कॉन्सेप्ट हमेशा क्लियर रहेंगे। आप लोगों के कॉन्सेप्ट हमेशा क्लियर रहेंगे। किसके स्टॉक में लोडिंग होगा बेटा? सन के क्लोजिंग स्टॉक में लोडिंग होएगा, एंड 60 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट, 60 रुपीज का टोटल प्रॉफिट है, पर उसमें से एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट सिर्फ 56 कहलाया जाएगा। कितना कहलाया जाएगा? 56, एंड रिमेनिंग 4 रुपीज प्रॉफिट इज कॉल्ड एज अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट, एंड इन दी सिंपल लैंग्वेज इट इज कॉल्ड एज लोडिंग। इसको इसको क्या बोलते हैं? लोडिंग। Now, now it's your choice. Yes. One problem I'm going to take before break. Before break, I'm going to take one problem, but I want your suggestion. Should I take study material question, or now should I move to past examination questions? It's similar to study material question, beta. You have 2 days to complete your account session from past examination. Manisha Ben Panchal is saying, sir, your method of teaching is very interesting. Yes, beta, thank you. सन के अकाउंट में बेटा हमेशा लोडिंग रहेगा। महिमा मौर्य, यस वेरी गुड बेटा। सर पास एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस। हर्षित जायसवाल बोल रहे सर यस बेटा स्टडी मटेरियल के क्वेश्चंस है। These questions are based on study material. Today you can solve your study material questions. On Monday we are going to cover that last part of this departmental accounts markup markdown. So बेटा past examination question maximum students का vote है। Yes बेटा सन बी में अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट ऑफ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ सन ए प्लस डैड। वेरी गुड ज्योति, I will explain this point later. Yes beta Jyoti, I am going to explain this point later. Yes beta अनीश ओझा जी चलेगा। Module question you already have in the last batch number 5. So my request to all of you, not only for my subject, but for other subjects also, you please solve past examination questions of minimum 2012 से आगे के questions. This will help you out in exam. चलिए, तो नवंबर 2012 का क्वेश्चन है, एक बार सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। This is question number 3 of assignment question. Please tomorrow or day after tomorrow, please take a hard copy of all these questions. At least black and white copy beta. Don't take color copies, but black and white copies you can please take from nearest Xerox beta shop. तो please it's my request, हार्ड कॉपी रहना बहुत जरूरी है। ओके यस बेटा अल्लू। डिपार्टमेंट ए सेल्स गुड्स टू डिपार्टमेंट बी at a profit of 20% on cost. So write down this question, November 2012. Okay. So first I will prepare one table. Step 1. Internal. So write down internal transfer price. Internal transfer price. This is November 2012 question, and same question is in study material. Department A, B, C. So there are 3 departments A, B, C. And here also you can write A, B, C. Okay. Now see, Department A cannot transfer goods to Department A. So dash. Department B cannot transfer goods to Department B. And Department C cannot transfer goods to Department C. So dash, 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 B, 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 B. So in beta, in cross, you will get dash, dash, dash. Now, Department A sells goods to Department B 20% on cost. So this is, I will write over here 20% on cost. So %20 on cost. So I will write it like 20 upon 120. See, so cost is 100. 20% on cost is 100 is cost. Then profit will be 20 and invoice price will be 120. Okay. So 120 will be invoice price. So equation is 20% on invoice price. So what is profit is always written on invoice price, not on cost. So what is my profit? 20 upon 120. So 120 is my selling price and 20 is my profit, or invoice price is 120 and 20 rupees is my profit. So it is 20 upon 120. In simple language, I will write it as 20 upon 120. Okay. Chalo. So now you only tell me 15% on cost. What you are going to write? For department C, what you are going to write, beta? Yes, you only tell me it in the comment section. 15% on cost. So what you are going to write it in the... Yes, anyone? चलो जल्दी से बताओ क्या लिखोगे बेटा? Yes, very good. Harshit Jaiswal answered very fast. 15 upon 115. What you are going to write? 15 upon 115 because it's on cost. So 100 is cost, 15 is your profit, and 115 is your selling price. Now, next one. Department B send goods to A and C at 10% and 20% on sales. Okay, 10% and 20% on sales. So what you are going to write, beta? On sales, it is 10%. So what is the equation? Equation is very easy. Sales is 100, profit is 10, and cost is 90. Cost is 90. So 10% on sales. So what I am going to write? 10 upon 100 and 20 upon 100. Okay. So for A we have completed, for B we have completed. And what about C? Now you only write it. For C, chalo, C you only tell me. $15 and 10% on cost. So what you are going to write it in C? If it's on sales, it is directly we will consider. Yes. So both answers, beta. Yes, Kaship ji, very good. So this is 15 upon 115 and 10 upon 110. Very good. 15 upon 115 and 10 upon 110. So this is now basic chart. So first paragraph, you have to form table. What do you have to form, beta? You have to form table for this paragraph. Now what is given? Now second line. So first paragraph is over. Departmental managers are entitled to commission, 10% commission on net profit subject to unrealized profit. So unrealized profit, they have to deduct it. Okay. So unrealized profit, they have to deduct it. And then they will get 10% commission. But what happened? So eliminate. Unrealized profit is not your skill. So unrealized profit, you have to deduct it and then you have to pay commission. But what happened? Departmental profits after charging commission, but before unrealized profit. Oh, so this profit after commission. Okay, sir. Now, sir, what we have to do? So what happens? We want commission. We will calculate commission, but how to calculate this commission? First, you will calculate profit. You will have profit. From that, you will deduct unrealized profit. You will deduct unrealized profit. आपने किया? Unrealized profit. प्रॉफिट माइनस अनरियलाइज प्रॉफिट. अच्छा, काम वाली बाई ने किया रहता तो अच्छा चाहे होगा. वाइफ ने किया है, टेंशन आया मुझे. सो प्रॉफिट minus unrealized profit. And on that, then we will calculate commission of 10%. But now what happened? This is the correct way. But how they calculated commission? How they calculated commission? Profit minus directly 10%. Oh, so they calculated it wrongly. What wrong thing, beta? They calculated unrealized profit without deducting unrealized profit. They calculated commission. They calculated commission without deducting unrealized profit. Acha, sir. So now this profit, now you have this profit after commission. Okay, 90 rupees. So profit is 100. On that they have deducted 10 rupees. So now profit is 90. So now first what you are going to consider. So first you will calculate this is before commission and this is called as after commission. Now first you will calculate before commission, then you will deduct unrealized profit and then you will get then you will calculate 10% and after that you will get after commission. Okay. So first we have to convert our profit once again, profit before commission. Okay. So profit before commission, हमें हमारा profit before commission निकालना पड़ेगा. So this is profit after commission. So here only I will write profit before commission. Now this is beta 90. This profit after commission is 90. So we have to consider 100. Okay. For 90, it is 36,000. So कैलसी पे आप लोग ले सकते हो. कैलसी जी लीजिए कैलसी पे 36,000 into 100 upon 90. So I am getting 40,000. 27,000 into 100 divided by 90. Cross multiplication. 30,000. 18,000 into 100 cross में divided by 90, I am getting 20,000. So first thing, what I am going to do, I will write profit before commission. Then beta, then I already wrote this diagram. Now what is given in the question? Stock lying in different departments. Stock lying in different departments. So this is the stock with receiving department. So receiving departments. All these are receiving departments. And they include profit of sender department. किसका profit वो include करेंगे? Sender department का. Sender department का profit वो include करते हैं. So sender department कितने में भेजे थे? Yes, चार्ट तैयार है 20 upon 120. So take it on 20 upon 120. C का कितना आएगा? 5750. 15 upon 115. 15 upon 115. 15 upon 115. 19,000. 10 upon 100. 10% into upon 100 means 10% directly. The next is 20%. Next is 15 upon 115. And next is 10 upon 110. Khatam. Okay. So what is the answer? 7,200 into 20 upon. So this is 12. So then 5750 divided by 115 into 15. 750. 1900. 3,000. 600. 300. Okay. Now department A's profit. Don't take vertical totals. Take horizontal totals. 1,200 plus 1,750. So what is the total, beta? 1,950. 4,900. And last one is 900. So department wise profit 1,950, 4,900 and 900 is unrealized profit of department A, department B, department C. Okay. So I hope you got this unrealized profit. Unrealized profit mil gaya. Now what is the process? So now how to present the answer? Now calculation of what is asked? Calculation of profit correct departmental profit after commission. Calculation of departmental profit. Serial number, particulars, A, B, C. Departments A, B, C. Serial number 1. Profit before commission. What is given in the question? Profit before commission. $36, 27, 18. 36,000, 27,000, 18,000. Roman 2, profit, sorry, this is after commission. Sorry, this is after commission. Now profit before commission. 1 into 100 upon 90. 40,000, 30,000, 27,000. Roman 3, less unrealized profit. 1,950, 4,900, 900. So this is the profit beta. We already calculated that. I have to write vertical total or horizontal. Horizontal total you have to take, not vertical. Roman 4, profit before commission. 2 minus 3. 38,050. 30,000 minus 4,900. 25,100. This is a favorite question, beta unka. 26,100. लास्ट वाला कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया गया है मैंने. Here it is 20,000 था. 20 था, sorry, 20 था. 19,100. 19,100. Then commission 10% into Roman 4. 3805 correct છે. 2510 correct છે. 1910 correct છે. And this is last one, profit after commission. $38, 34,245, 22,590, 17,190. So this is a final profit. Yes, any difficulty till now? Any difficulty till now? Okay, okay. I rectified C beta. Yes, you can do it directly, but this is a presentation which is required in exam. So it's very simple beta. First, you have to calculate this profit before after commission. Please remember you have to write this pro forma in your last day revision notes. So last day revision notes में आपको ये pro forma लिख के रखना है. Last day revision notes में. I'm giving you one question. Yes, I will keep it on. Yes, beta, which is the important one question. हाँ, January 21. This is something which is very important question. January 2021 में आया था. You can download this copy or you can take a screenshot and you can solve this question in break. And we will meet after break. And in break, after break, we are going to solve this question. Very interesting one. Yes, मजा आ जाएगा आपको ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके. सेम क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा सा अलग है. Please solve it in the break. Okay, so we will meet at 8:30. Okay, 8:30 को हम लोग मिलते हैं. आप तब तक ये क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कर देना. इसलिए 15 मिनट प्लस 5 मिनट्स. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू 5 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा. सो 8:30 को हम लोग मिलेंगे जनवरी 2021 का क्वेश्चन लेके. सो आई होप नाउ यू आर क्लियर विद डिपार्टमेंट्स अकाउंट. सो डिपार्टमेंटल में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? डिपार्टमेंटल अकाउंट में महिमा जी एक ही चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है कि दैट क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ Sun, it includes loading of dad. Okay. Closing stock of Sun includes loading of dad. And that's why beta we consider, see, A department. Now here, A department is dad and B department is Sun. Okay. So Sun includes loading. And how much loading beta? 20% on cost. So 20 upon 120. So 20 रुपया profit, 120 रुपया selling price. 120 रुपया selling price or 20 रुपया profit. 15% on cost means 15 upon 115 and 20% and 10% on sales यहाँ पे दिया है. So 10 upon 100 and 20 upon 100 is very, very simple. I hope every one of you is now clear with this concept. It's very interesting concept. That's a concept. And this is the easiest question if you once understood the logic. Similar questions are there minimum 7 to 8 times. I ask you the same question again and again. You can see. And now your duty to solve question number 21. January 21 ka question number 10 that we are going to take after break. So till break, yes, take care and solve this question. Thank you. Come to question number 10. Many students solve this question number 10. Let's see. What is the correct profit? The correct answer is yes. Correct answer is I think 39,382. This question is really must question tha. Let's see. $39,382, 50,400, and 68,400. Abdulji, you got the wrong answer. Who got the correct answer? Yes, I will tell you the name. गीत चौहान. गीत चौहान को करेक्ट आंसर मिला है. देन मनीषा बेन मांचाल को करेक्ट आंसर मिला. गीत को करेक्ट आंसर मिला. वेरी गुड बेटा गीत, वेरी गुड. डोंट चीट मी. Don't see the answer directly of ICI. अब्दुल ठीक है, गलत आंसर मिला तो भी चलेगा, but now we'll try to solve this. XYZ garage consists of 3 departments: spare, service, and repairs. Each department being managed by departmental manager, whose commission 5%, 10%, and 10% of respective departments. Profit subject to minimum 5,000 in each case. So minimum 5,000 they are getting. Means if you are in loss also, you will get 5,000 minimum amount. Yes, this is very important. So this is something new. Minimum 5,000 in each case. Interdepartment transfer, 5% above cost from spare to service. Okay. So first I will write beta. Chalo. Internal transfer price. Write down beta internal transfer price. Departments. Spares. Service. Repairs. Spares. Service. Repairs. Spare to spare dash. Spare to service 5% above cost. So 5 upon 105. Spare to repairs 10 upon 110. Repairs to service 10% above cost. Repair to service. Okay. So this is our chart. Service dash repairs to spares and repairs to repairs dash. In respect of the year ended, the firm has already prepared and closed the department's trading and P&L account. Subsequently, it was discovered that closing stock of the department had inter-department transferred at loaded price. Loaded price means invoice price extra. Okay. So 5% above cost, 10% above cost, 10% above cost. I have written it. This is a chart I have prepared. Spare service repairs. Correct? Eh? Now, final net profit after charging commission. See this 38,000 bracket, beta loss. It's a loss. 50,400 profit and 72,000 again profit. And interdepartment transfers at loaded price. Loaded price means invoice price. 21,000 from spares and 44,000 from repairs. Okay. For service department and 4202 for repairs. Spares to repairs. So second table beta. Calculation of unrealized profit. Departments. Spare. Service. Repairs. And total. Spares. Service. Repairs. Here it is 21,000 into 5 upon 105 and 4202 into 10 upon 110. 21,000 1,000 and 4202 into 10 upon 110, 382. So this is 1382. And repairs 44,000 into 10 upon 110. So this is 4,000. Horizontal totals. Next, calculation of correct profit. Serial number, particulars, spares, service, repairs. Roman 1, profit oblique in bracket loss. 38,000, 50,400, 72,000. Roman 2, add commission. Now here red pen, this is 5,000 positive. 5,000 positive. Second one, %, commission, na? So 10 upon, now this 50,400 is for 90. So what is for 10? And 72,000 is also for 90. So what is for 10? This is 5,600. And this is 8,000. Roman 3. Profit before commission. 1 plus 2. Now this is 33,000 negative. 56,000 positive. 80,000 positive. Then you will calculate unrealized profit. 1382 service dash, and this is 4,000. Profit before again commission. So this is beta minus minus ये हो जाएगा 34,382, 56,000 and 76,000. Then beta commission. This is minimum 5,000. This is 10% into 5, 5,600. And this is also 10% into 5. $39,382, 50,400, sorry, positive, and 68,400. Because beta Karthik, beta this 5,000 is your firm is in loss. So minimum 5,000 commission you are going to pay them. Minimum 5,000 commission you are going to pay them. So that's why we consider 5,000. So this is only accidental area. Double A. Accidental area for 5,000. If you are in loss, then better actually you should not pay any commission. But minimum 5,000 you are paying commission. That's why you considered 5,000. Okay. Accidental area दो थे, 5,000 minimum था. Now you clear with this concept, beta, every one of you? Yes, tell me it in comment section. Easy check and nathi. टेन मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन था ये. यस. बहुत से स्टूडेंट ने मिस्टेक किया था एग्जाम में. दे प्लीज नाउ दिस सी दिस क्वेश्चन इज थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट वन फ्रॉम अदर क्वेश्चंस. ओके. नो प्रॉब्लम प्रणव जी. नो प्रॉब्लम वशिष्ठ जी. नो प्रॉब्लम. Now you understood your mistakes. So now homework questions, beta. Please try all these questions. Question May 2013, beta. Only loading you have to calculate. Only loading. Question number 5, 8 marks question. So after manager commission. So beta, same question you have. May 2016, same question. After almost every 2 years, 1 year. November 17, again same question. 18 November, again same question. November 20, again same question for 5 marks. And then 21. 20 के बाद तुरंत 21 में similar question but in different way. Okay, so ICI ने थोड़ा सा एडवांस लेवल का क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जनवरी 21 में. So up to, yes beta, up to question number 10, same category question. Manager's commission question, unrealized profit question. From question number 11, trading account you have to prepare. Trading and P&L. Yes. So now question is changed from November 14. Now this is your study material question actually. Still we will take. So up to question 10 now you can solve at home beta. How many questions you have? 20 questions. So up to 10 now you can solve it easily. Please watch my previous session. Okay. So now November 2014, 8 mark का question था. It's very easy. Mega Limited, yes, you can solve with me. Guys, are you serious for your studies? If I'm providing you or we are providing you free of cost lectures and still you are not serious for your studies, and see, I'm telling you once again, in ICI classes, I wonder why students are not taking benefit of this ICI coaching. Maximum students from India, why you have to pay to private classes? And that is a huge amount, 10,000, 15,000. In Pune branch, we hardly collect 3,000 because this is our software cost and our running cost. But because beta, for Delhi, we are getting funds from all students, and in Pune branch, we are not getting funds, and that's why we charge a small amount to students. and that is very affordable amount. But I can see the seriousness of students, why they are getting flung. Reason is very simple. Students are not taking it seriously. We provide you all conceptual sessions. You have to take some efforts. Ultimately, faculty is only solving the questions. It is of no use. I am telling you it once again. It is only for your benefit. बड़ा पछताओगे after some certain time. And first attempt is always a best attempt. If you skip first attempt, then beta, it's very difficult. I'm not telling you that if you take attempts, it's okay, but give your 100%. And if I'm telling you to do the homework, see the result after 6 months. In May exam, you can see the result. If I clear your all concepts in the session, just watch previous sessions and then solve questions with me for past examination. But your batch is the luckiest batch, I am telling you. Faculties haven't changed. We take some extra questions, not only that घिसा पीटा revision. Same batch and batch के लिए वही बोलता गया, नहीं. ये बैच में कुछ अलग करना था और वो हुआ. और आप लोग जो है, यदि आप ये मुझे साथ दोगे ना, मैं हर स्टूडेंट को 60 लेके आ सकता हूँ. इट्स माई चैलेंज. नॉट ओनली 60, 90 भी आ सकता है. बट अल्टीमेटली योर एफर्ट्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. आई एम हियर टू गिव यू 40%. 60% यू हैव टू फिनिश एंड सी द रिजल्ट. एक भी लेक्चर बंक नहीं करना है. भले यू आर गेटिंग रॉन्ग आंसर, इट्स ओके. यू डू मिस्टेक हियर, but don't make it in exam. ठीक है? I hope every one of you are very serious. If 55 to 60 students are also attending, but these students are really, attentive students. But only the thing is that after session, please watch previous session or previous batches, complete your study material, then again solve this question. And there is no shortcut for your success. So you should not tell us कि sir we are not getting time. Time निकालना पड़ेगा. मैं दिन भर में कितना टाइम निकालता हूँ मुझे पता है. Then control your sleep. 6 to 7 hours is okay. In CA course 7 hours sleep is okay. बाकी का टाइम आपको हार्डवर्क ही करना पड़ेगा. You do not have any other option. चलिए, बस हो गया आज का ज्ञान. How to check our answers? Beta, you buy one scanner. Scanner जल्दी से जल्दी बाय कर लीजिए. सुचेता प्रकाशन ऑनलाइन बाय कर लीजिए, तो आपको पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस भी मिल जाएंगे. चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Mega Limited has 2 departments, A and B. Now focus. From the following particulars, prepare departmental trading and general P&L account. Now this question is departmental trading and general P&L. Okay. ठीक है. Opening stock, where to write? Debit. Purchases, debit. Carriage inward, debit. Wages, debit. Sales, credit. Now see, purchase goods transferred by B to A. By B to A. So, beta, who is giver? Identify receiver-giver relationship. A is a receiver and B is a giver. तो A के क्रेडिट में आएगा, सॉरी, A is a receiver. Receiver debit the receiver and B के क्रेडिट में आएगा. B के क्रेडिट में आएगा. By A to B, A credit, B debit. A is a giver, B is a receiver. A के क्रेडिट में 36,000 क्रेडिट, बी के डेबिट में 36,000 डेबिट. फिनिश गुड्स ट्रांसफर्ड, बी को क्रेडिट, ए को डेबिट. 1,50,000 credit in B. And here it is debit. And 1,75,000 again. Here it is credit. Return of finished goods. B to A. B is a giver. A is a receiver. 45,000 debit in A and 45,000 credit in B. 32,000 debit. 32,000 credit in A's books. ठीक है? Closing stock is given. Credit side. Now see, purchase goods. Now there are two categories, purchase goods and finished goods. So purchase goods transferred at cost. So no loading in purchase goods. What it means? There is no loading because it is transferred not at profit. It is transferred at cost. And finished goods are transferred at market price. So finished goods are market price. So there is loading in finished goods stock. Loading. Here it is loading. And in opening stock also, there is loading. But opening stock is given at cost. At cost means there is no loading in opening stock. No loading in opening stock. There is loading only in closing stock. And 30% of department represents of another department. So finished goods में से 30% portion includes loading. How much percentage? 30%. Now how to calculate loading? Wait for some time. 30% loading that we are going to calculate. And how to calculate? Wait for some time. Chali. So now we are going to solve this question. Write down. Write down. In the books of Mega Limited. Date, particulars, A, B, total, particulars, डेट की जरूरत नहीं है, सॉरी, particulars, A, B, total. ओके, चलो स्टार्ट. तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक, opening stock 70,000, 54,000. Total at the end we will take, or otherwise if it is possible 7 plus 5 124, 1,24,000. Two purchases 392 and 298. $6,92,000. 6,90,000. Carriage inward. $6,000, $9,000, $15,000. To wages 54 plus 36. 90,000. By sales, ₹5,72,000, 4,60,000, 10,32,000. To transfer, by transfer, purchase and finished goods. Purchases and finished goods. Here also purchases, goods and finished goods. C. Purchase goods 50,000 डेबिट, बी में 50,000 क्रेडिट. So 50,000 in A and B में 50,000 purchases goods के सामने, and 36,000 B में डेबिट and A में क्रेडिट. Over. Purchase goods transfer. In case of transfer, don't take total, because internal transfer is never we record it in total. 45 debit in A and 45 in B, and second one 175 175. To return, $45 debit in A and 45,000 credit in B, $32 by return. By closing stock, purchase goods 24 and 30, $1,64,000. And then calculate gross profit. Yes, now you can calculate gross profit and tell me the answer. Gross profit you can do by your own. Now closing stock. Now what includes loading, beta? This closing stock includes loading. Finished goods only. This finished goods includes loading. Tell me GP. Do by your own GP. बेटा 8:30 to 10:30 टाइम है आपके पास. श्रुति. सॉरी 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 सॉरी, क्रेडिट साइड पे गलत हो गया मेरा। यस, क्रेडिट साइड पे गलत हुआ है, क्रेडिट साइड पे गलत हुआ है। 32,000 and 45,000, सॉरी। यस अब्दुल, यू आर करेक्ट। सॉरी, मेरा अमाउंट गलत हो गया। 572 प्लस 36 प्लस 175 प्लस 32 प्लस 24 प्लस 102 माइनस 70 माइनस 392 माइनस 6 माइनस 54 माइनस 50 माइनस 45 माइनस 45। I am getting the wrong answer. 75, 574, 572, like 572 plus 36 plus 32 plus 24 plus 102. I'm getting 9,41,000 here. Minus 70 minus 392 minus 6 minus 54 minus 50 अच्छा सॉरी, इधर 1,50,000 है। 1,50,000 आई थिंक। 1,50,000, ओके, माय मिस्टेक। 1,50,000 174। बेटा 2 figures I wrote it wrongly, हाँ बेटा। वन फिफ्टी सेवन, 174 plus 157, 3,14,000। 174 plus 157, 331, 3,31,000 is a total profit. Yes, now it's correct. You can check the answer. Yes, beta, understood. And finished goods includes loading, closing stock. Okay. Now it's correct, beta. Yes, beta. Sridhar, now I am correct, beta. Everyone over, beta, over. तो आगे जाता हूं। जनरल पी एंड एल मीन्स बेटा टोटल। जनरल पी एंड एल का मीनिंग होता है टोटल, दैट आई विल टेल यू। जनरल पी एंड एल आई विल टेल यू। Nanish, wait for some time. So till now clear बेटा। तो आगे जाता हूं। I wrote two wrong amounts. चलो હવે आगे जाइए. हाँ. Now calculation of, write down calculation of stock reserve in bracket loading. Calculation of stock reserve in bracket, write down loading. Write down format, serial number, particulars, A, B. Serial number, particulars, A, B. Now बेटा किसका क्लोजिंग स्टॉक? Receiving department. And whose profit? Sender department. Okay. So sender ka profit. So what is the important point? Closing stock of receiving into GP of sender. This is the unrealized profit. Closing stock of receiving department and GP of sender department. In exam, don't write this. This is your red line adjustment. Closing stock of receiving department and GP of DAD. DAD means sender. Receiving department ka closing stock and GP of sender. Okay, so that is the loading calculation. किसका क्लोजिंग स्टॉक रहेगा? रिसीविंग डिपार्टमेंट. और किसका जीपी रेशियो रहेगा? सेंडर डिपार्टमेंट. तो पहले हम लोग जीपी निकालते. तो फर्स्ट थिंग जीपी रेशियो, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. व्हाट इज ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट? 174 and 1,57,000. Try to recall the pro forma before last day. Yes, beta. Yes. Very good, Jyoti. Now sales. Including internal transfer of finished goods. Sales including internal transfer of finished goods. Okay, because internal transfer is at market price. Internal transfer is at market price. Remember. So I will write sales. I will write add internal transfer and C. Let's red pen say returns. Returns I have to deduct. Okay. You return some goods, na beta. Return. You can say see here. Return, by return, to return. Now you only calculate and tell me the figure. D subtotal. Internal transfer of finished goods, returns of finished goods. Because it includes profit. Don't consider purchase goods internal transfer. Yes. And now tell me the subtotal. चलो subtotal आप लोग बताइए. Write down by pencil. अब ये don't fear it. मैं बताने के बाद fear कीजिए. Fear it after my explanation. Okay. So calculate subtotal. Tell me the answer. Subtotal. Tell me subtotal. Waiting for your answer. Wrong. Sales 570 to 460. Internal transfer 175 and 150. Returns on the debit side 45 and 32. 45,000, 32,000. 572 plus 175 minus 45. 7,02,000. Not the single student who wrote the correct answer. एक भी स्टूडेंट का करेक्ट आंसर नहीं है. 460, 150 minus 32. 5,78,000. Not a single student, right? Abdul Bhai, શું થયું? Wrong answer આપ્યું. Roman 3 GP ratio 174 1 divided by 2. Everyone got the mistake, beta? Up to 4 digits. 24.78632 means 7863%. And 157 divided by 578. 27.1626 GP ratio. Closing stock of finished goods, internal transfer. Now 30% is only internal transfer का closing stock का include करता है. So 1,02,000 into 30% and 62,000 का 30%. Only 30% includes loading. That is the internal element. 30,600, 18,600. Now see, receivers department closing stock and sender department GP ratio. So cross में multiply करेंगे. So unrealized profit. Unrealized profit 30,600 into 27.1626%. I will write it over here. 8312. इनका प्रॉफिट है. बी का प्रॉफिट है ये. And 18,600 into 4,610. Total 12,922. 12,922. प्रॉफिट सामने वाले डिपार्टमेंट का. और अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर 8312 इसका लोडिंग है और प्रॉफिट ऑफ बी होगा. हियर यू कैन राइट इट इन दिस वे एंड प्रॉफिट ऑफ ए 4610. प्रॉफिट ऑफ ए इन क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ बी. यू कैन राइट इट इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. ठीक है, क्रॉस में नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक के नीचे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का लोडिंग बट प्रॉफिट ऑफ बी. Okay. Everyone got the mistake. And now Nanesh Ingres question. General P&L. Yes, beta. By net profit or by gross profit you can take. By gross profit. So what is the gross profit beta? Total 3,31,000. And closing stock. Now closing stock we write it on the credit side and loading we will write it on the debit side. Beta. Loading of closing stock you have to write it on the debit side. Remember, opposite side opening stock का loading we will write in the credit side and closing stock का on the debit side. 12,922. So your profit will be 3,18,078 is a final net profit. Over. So closing stock का loading on the debit side and opening stock का loading on the credit side. Opposite side loading you have to write. Where to write loading? On the opposite side. तो closing stock का debit में आएगा and opening stock का credit में आएगा. Easy छे? अरे easy छे के? Easy or difficult? Over, my friend. So what is important? First, receiving giving relationship is important here. ज्ञानेश बेटा देख, आजो एक बार मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. देखो जीपी रेशो जो है ना, जीपी रेशो कैसे निकालोगे? जीपी अपॉन सेल्स, पर सेल्स इंक्लूडिंग ट्रांसफर ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स. किसका किसका सेल्स लेना है? सेल्स लेना है. फिनिश गुड्स का इंटरनल ट्रांसफर लेना है और उसमें से रिटर्न्स ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स. और परचेस गुड्स में लोडिंग नहीं है. परचेस गुड्स आर एट कॉस्ट है. तो जीपी कैसे आएगा? परचेस गुड्स एक दूसरे को कॉस्ट पे ट्रांसफर किए तो फायदा नहीं हुआ है. मैंने 100 रुपए का माल लिया, 100 रुपए पे ट्रांसफर किया, तो बेटा मुझे कुछ फायदा होने वाला है क्या? तो जीपी किस में नहीं है? परचेस गुड्स में जीपी नहीं है. सो हमें कौन सा गुड्स लेना है बेटा? देखो मतलब हमारा लोडिंग किस में, हमारा प्रॉफिट किस में है? देखो हमारा प्रॉफिट है सेल्स में. हमारा प्रॉफिट है सेल्स में. बाय ट्रांसफर में फिनिश गुड्स में ओनली ट्रांसफर में हमारा प्रॉफिट है. परचेस में हमारा प्रॉफिट नहीं है. वी डू नॉट हैव प्रॉफिट इन परचेसेस. ओके. एंड रिटर्न्स, रिटर्न्स भी देखो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. रिटर्न्स और ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स, रिटर्न्स भी देखो ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स दिया है. तो रिटर्न्स में माइनस करेगा रे, रिटर्न्स में माइनस करेगा डेबिट साइड का. सो मेरा जीपी मैंने लिखा सेल्स इंटरनल ट्रांसफर लेस रिटर्न्स, तो मुझे सब टोटल मिला. अभी ये सब टोटल से मेरा जीपी रेशो आएगा जीपी अपॉन सेल्स, बराबर है. अभी क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स, ये देखो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स, इसमें 1,02,000 एंड 62,000 इसमें लोडिंग है. और ये लोडिंग कितना? अभी ये क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है पर ये एक दूसरे से कितना आया? क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 30% ऑफ द क्लोजिंग फिनिश स्टॉक इथ विच ईच डिपार्टमेंट रिप्रेजेंट्स. मतलब एक दूसरे से कितना आया? एक दूसरे से 30% आया है. सो पूरा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक लेंगे या उसका 30%? सो 1,02,000 का 30% लिया एंड 62,000 का 30%. और अभी ये एक दूसरे का जीपी, अभी 30,600, पर 30,600 क्लोजिंग स्टॉक किसका? ए का, जिसमें लोडिंग किसका होगा? बी का. तो बी का जीपी रेशो लिया क्रॉस में. सो 30,600 को मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किससे किया बेटा? मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किससे किया? 30,600 में मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया बी के जीपी रेशो से. तो बी के जीपी रेशो से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया। ओके बेटा, सो 30,600 इंटू 27.1626। अब ये प्रॉफिट किसका है? प्रॉफिट है बी का, एंड क्लोजिंग स्टॉक किसके पास है? ए के पास। तो उसके नीचे मैंने 8312 लिख दिया। 30,600 इंटू 27.1626 एंड 18,600 के क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, उसमें लोडिंग किसका है? 24.7863% से। तो लोडिंग है ए का। तो आप देख सकते हो टोटल प्रॉफिट मेरा हो गया 12,922, प्रॉफिट ऑफ बी एंड प्रॉफिट ऑफ ए। और ये प्रॉफिट ऑफ बी, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का जो प्रॉफिट है, स्टॉक रिजर्व, इसको लोडिंग बोलते हैं, वो हम लोग डेबिट में लिखेंगे। क्लोजिंग स्टॉक क्रेडिट में होता है तो उसका लोडिंग डेबिट में लिखेंगे पी एंड एल में, एंड ओपनिंग स्टॉक का लोडिंग हम लोग क्रेडिट में लिखेंगे। पर ओपनिंग स्टॉक में परचेज गुड्स थे। ओपनिंग स्टॉक में क्या था? ओपनिंग स्टॉक देखो लिखा है यहाँ पे, ओपनिंग स्टॉक एट कॉस्ट। कॉस्ट है तो लोडिंग नहीं है उसमें, लोडिंग नहीं है उसमें, तो लोडिंग नहीं है इसका मतलब वो कैंसिल करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो ओपनिंग स्टॉक का लोडिंग मैंने कैंसिल नहीं किया, एंड फाइनली वी गॉट द प्रॉफिट। बेटा थोड़ा तो मुश्किल होगा, सीए कोर्स है, हम लोग एरा गेरा कोर्स नहीं कर रहे, एक हाई लेवल का कोर्स कर रहे। डिपार्टमेंट ए ने डिपार्टमेंट बी को गुड्स भेजे, तो बी रिसीवर है तो बी चा डेबिट ला एंड ए चा क्रेडिट ला। इट्स वेरी सिंपल। बी के डेबिट में और ए के क्रेडिट में लिखना है। अभी इसमें और कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। पर बच्चों को क्यों डिफिकल्ट लगता है? और बाप रे सर लोडिंग, अरे लोडिंग काय का लोडिंग? लोडिंग इज वेरी सिंपल। ए का लोडिंग होगा, बी का प्रॉफिट होगा, ए का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक होएगा, बी का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक होएगा, ए का प्रॉफिट होएगा। खत्म ना रे, क्या डिफिकल्ट है? थोड़ा सा लॉजिक अप्लाई कीजिए। सर सिंपल है पर समझ में नहीं आता क्योंकि हम लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते। प्रैक्टिस करो, सेम क्वेश्चन देखो, समझ में आएगा। नो बेटा अब्दुल, वी कैनॉट राइट जनरल पी एंड एल में, वी राइट स्टॉक रिजर्व। Okay, we cannot write it in trading account. General stock reserve, we have to write it in general P&L, not only in P&L, but it's in general. General means overall, total. So it's not department wise profit. You cannot cancel stock reserve in front of departments. Departments mein we never take it. We take it total mein cancellation. It is a duty of overall company. It's not related to any specific department. So that's why we consider it in the general profit and loss account. Understood? Easy चे stock reserve concept. अरे easy क्या? जल्दी जल्दी बोलते ही नहीं यार आप लोग, बोलो ना। इजी चे एकदम। सर थोड़ी रिवीजन कर लो, कुछ है ही नहीं। सेम क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू सॉल्व, and if you are getting the right answer, it means now you are pro in this question. So what is important? Closing stock of receiving department and sender department. B A का closing stock, A का closing stock, B का profit cross, B का closing stock, A का profit cross, and then we have to cancel loading. Closing stock का loading on the debit side में opening stock का loading on the credit side. निकिता बोल रहे 2 बार लेक्चर देखना पड़ेगा। यस बेटा देख लीजिए, ठीक है। थोड़ा इंप्रूव कीजिए लेवल बेटा, इंप्रूव कीजिए निकिता लेवल। प्रणव बोल रहा है इजी है सर, अनीशा बोल रही इजी, वंशिका इजी, ज्ञानेश एक खूब इजी है, अब्दुल बोल रहा है थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस लगेगा, अभिषेक बोल रहा है बहुत इजी, माई डाउट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर, प्रियंका बोल रही है, हर्षित यस। नाउ थैंक यू, वी विल वेट टुडे फॉर 1 more डे। तो अभी आपको ये क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, आप मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस पिछले बैच के देख लीजिए ताकि हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में और ज्यादा क्लियर करें। यू हैव 2 more days, 2 more days। सो 2 दिन है, सैटरडे संडे। डोंट एंजॉय बट डू स्टडी, ओके। ओनली 6 months, we have to work hard only for 6 months, and last month study is never used beta, is of no use. So do your planning from the first day. If you are serious for these 6 months, you are going to pass, okay? Chalo, take care, bye bye. We will meet on Monday, and I enjoyed this session. Spread this session to maximum friends, like it, subscribe it or share it. Okay, thank you.